gosh. Look at this guy.
This is the worst.
Oh my gosh, look. Now he's peeping in my back door. Oh, this little guy. What a peeping Tom. My God, there he is again. Look at this bunny. Oh, look at these beautiful daffodils. Oh, I'm so happy. They come up pretty early in the spring. And they look so pretty. They're a sign of hope that summer is coming. Aren't they beautiful? Beautiful. Look how pretty. Oh, just love them. Look at those pretty purple azaleas. All the little blossoms are falling on the ground, but they still look so pretty. It was so nice to get to see Renee today because the kids are home for Easter from college. You remember Renee, Jake's girlfriend? She brought me this beautiful, isn't it pretty? Azalea plant. I have to double check and see when you can plant it in the ground outside. So pretty. Thank you, Renee. One and son-in-law Jason. So pretty. Look at the roses and those beautiful colored flowers, and the lilies haven't opened yet. So beautiful. Thank you, Dawn and Jason. Very nice. Phyllis and Jerry, my son-in-law Jason's parents, gave us this beautiful hot pink hanging petunia plant. If the weather would finally warm up outside, maybe we could put it out. I'm going into the hospital tomorrow morning for my surgery, so I wanted to get this video up before I did, because I probably will be out of commission for at least a week or more, and then I'll be back. Well, we had a beautiful brunch at my daughter Dawn's house, and unfortunately this time around I didn't get a chance to take any pictures of the food, because by the time they put everything out, everybody was starving and they attacked it. But don't worry, I did get some good pictures of the desserts, and I'm going to show them to you now. So stay tuned. Really cute. Happy Easter from our home to yours. Here's just a little peek at our dessert table. We have a cute little Easter basket chocolate bundt cake made by Ma. And here is some malted milk dip. The kids requested this. We have a little fruit salad over here. And here I dipped some Peeps. You have to have Peeps for Easter, right? Hello, Peeps. And here is a delicious fruit tart that Jake's girlfriend Renee brought over. Let me swing over here and see if there's anything else. Oh, and here's those silly little bunnies, those funfetti bunnies. Hi, Mr. Bunny. Okay, so we'll be having dessert very soon. Happy Easter, everyone. Here are a few pictures from Easter 2022. I hope you'll enjoy them. My family runs when they see me with my camera, but they should know by now that I always have my camera. And someday, I tell them, when you're older, you'll appreciate having all these photos to look back on, all right? So enjoy. Here's Pebbles, my daughter's dog, in her butterfly headgear. She's all decked out for Easter. Isn't she cute? And here's our dog, Brownie. She wasn't with us for the day, but she's part of the family, so I wanted to include her. Here's my daughter, Dawn, my son-in-law, Jason, my oldest grandson, Jake, and his brother, Aaron. Here I am with the cameraman and my son, Scott, and my daughter Dawn our proudest accomplishments. Here are the two grandmothers, Moi and Phyllis, sporting our wings. And here's Nana and Papu smiling for the camera. And here's my grandson Jake and his sweetie Renee. They're both home from college now. They'll be going back soon, but before you know it, they'll be home for the summer. They were so happy to see each other. My four grandsons, Jake, Aaron, Lucas, and Kyle. Kyle and Lucas were here for a couple of hours on Easter, but then they had to fly off. They were going on a little vacation to South Carolina, but I didn't want to leave them out of the video. Unfortunately, we took the pictures after they left, so here they are. So I'll leave you all with this, celebrating the miracle of Easter, the beauty of God's creation, and the blessings of having all of you in my life. And remember, Jesus said to her, I am the resurrection and the life. He who believes in me will live even though he dies. And whoever lives and believes in me will never die. So I hope you all had a wonderful and blessed Easter. As soon as I'm recovered, I'll be back to my old self, so I'll see you very soon. And the Easter Bunny is going to take a little rest now until next year. He's going to hop, hop, hop away. So anyway, if you haven't already subscribed to my channel and you enjoyed this, don't forget to hit that red subscribe and the little bell next to it till it says all. And that's all. You'll be a subscriber and you won't miss my next video. So thank you all for your support. You know I love you. See you soon. Toodles!